Will Tesla manufacture cars in India? What's going on with the EV space in India? Elon Musk's Tesla plan for India may be solidifying. There may be a plan in action to set up a Tesla factory in India with a yearly capacity of 5 lakh EV units. And what would be the cost of a Tesla? It could start from about 20 lakh rupees. Elon Musk had also met Indian PM Narendra Modi recently, with Musk stating he was a fan of Modi. He remarked that Modi really cares about India because he was pushing Musk to make significant investments in India. Musk mentioned it was something he intended to do, being confident that Tesla would be in India as humanly possible. And there was a plan for Tesla to come earlier, but it wasn't getting certain initiatives it wanted in terms of duty for imports. But discussions were held in May 2023 about incentives for car and battery manufacturing. If this becomes concrete, this could further bolster the Make in India initiative. Besides being manufacturing hub, Tesla may also look at India as an export base for shipping cars to other countries. There seems to be narrative of India being the new production hub for global companies, with enterprises trying to diversify production bases beyond China. What is India's potential for the sustainable energy and EV spaces?